teachers and students. Mr. P coming to you from Bulldog Bytes headquarters. This morning we'll be looking at how to both access and use the program that we have, or the app, Adobe Spark. So you'll first start by going to your Launchpad here. Okay, you will log in and you'll see your board of apps. We'll be looking at Adobe Spark here. It's a fairly easy program to use. Once you get to this, you're going to log on with your school account and you're going to use your email address for school. Same password that you use to log on to your computer. Okay, so then you'll come over here and this is going to be your kind of your board of projects that you had working on. Alright, so for us at the top you're going to be going and clicking on the plus sign here. Alright, and there are hundreds of templates that you can choose from, but since you're doing a cookbook for Spanish class, we're going to just look at cookbooks. Alright, or we can do something like recipe. Alright, and you kind of scroll down, see if there's something that you like and something that coincides with the assignment that Ms. Hubert had given you. Okay, and this looks like it could be something here. Well, this one actually looks better, so we'll create this form because I believe that you guys have to have a picture involved. So what will wind up happening is that this template will come up for you, and you also have some other ideas on the side in case you decided to go against it. Alright, really simple, guys. You wind up just clicking on the part that you had wanted to edit. Okay, and it's as simple as that. You write your ingredients here. Okay, you can include your picture where you can wind up rotating it if you had wanted to, or if you just wanted another picture, you can do that by clicking on add. There's some pretty cool filters. Or if you just want to replace it with something you have in your computer, you click replace. Okay, so once you've done that, you can download your recipe page, or you can actually go to share, where you can publish it, okay, to an email, or you can get a link and you can send that to Mrs. Hubert where she can access it. Now if you guys are printing this out, you're going to have to download it first. Alright, and once you download it to a location that you're familiar with, you can print it out from there. And that about wraps it up. I hope you guys found this one useful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, as always, please do not hesitate and come see us over here at room 260. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.